So here's Kismia dating app, Kismia meets singles nearby. So let's just take a quick look on this app. Is this app legit? Can you use it for for dating, really, or yeah? But overall, as you can see, there are more than 40,000 ratings in this app. So therefore, seems it's quite legit because there are so many apps which are just just released for 1 week in the app store, especially these random online chatting apps, and they just kind of disappear. This app is not like that. Seems like so it has pretty good average rating, 4.5 out of 5. And then then let's just open it up. So here's the app. I created an account, and this is how it looks like, similar as a Tinder. So you can just swipe yes, no, and then you can just see all the different details. You can try to message. You can, in top right, you can see the filters. If you want more filters, you can just enter the search. Like here you can see verification, goals, height, weight, like alcohol, smoking, ethnicity. So all these filters you can just set up depending on what you're looking for. Then there are messaging tab. It's a bit suspicious that these people start to message you. Usually this happens in all these AI bot apps. Yeah, so that's just what it is. Hopefully there are not that many AI bots, but just for you to know, a lot of these dating apps these days, they're just, especially in messaging, they're exploiting this AI bots, and basically it's super hard to really verify is this a real person or not, because AI is becoming quite good with all these language models and ChatGPT. And especially if you're getting a lot of messages out of nowhere and then you're just pushed to upgrade, just be careful with that. It's super easy to fake these days. So that's why I was just like, you can be suspicious, and then you can see 4 people liked you. I don't know. And then this is just your account, which you can see from here. You just need, I guess, like few photos to start creating your account. Then you have multiple subscriptions. There is Kisma Premium, Kismia Gold, so similar as on Tinder. So Premium is like $15 per month. Gold is like $19 per month. So, and then VIP status, 1 month is $20. There's just like a separate subscription, I guess. Your profile will display to potential matches more frequently. Your messages will be placed in a separate tab. So that's what it is. Then there is smart messages. I don't know what that is. And then in the bottom, if you don't like the app, you can just tap to delete an account. There is also some help and support. So yeah, that's basically the idea. If you want, you can also just connect your Facebook and Instagram if you just want to do that. And then there is your profile. You can set up all your preferences, share your photos, Instagrams, share all your details. Maybe it will help you out, like in ranking higher in this app. But yeah, that's basically the idea of the app, how it looks like. So if you're bored of Tinder or Bumble or some like these major dating apps, there is always some kind of alternative, and Kismia app is one of those. So give it a try.